Let's see what's going to happen today, guys, because the day began with a positive pressure on the Bitcoin price. Like we went up to $88,000 again. The last 2 days we were standing at this zone, but the last couple minutes, maybe the last hour, we dropped down to $86,500. The time that I'm recording the video, we are standing close to $87,000. So the question that probably you're gonna have now is if the dump actually began, okay? And I speak for the dump that we will create something like a double bottom or a lower low, and we're gonna break later on, like by the end days of April or early days of May, as I believe, okay? Because if you have watched my previous videos, I have told you that I don't believe that much into this scenario. I don't say that it won't happen. I mean, the 70-day offset from the global M2 money supply, liquidity, whatever. I'm tending more to the 107-day offset because it fits better with the microeconomics and the fundamentals and the Fed, okay, the world situation. I mean, so if you pay attention, there is on the graph a mini rally that will fail. And there are massive probabilities now that we are doing this mini rally that will fail. Because the situation of the markets are really, really dry. And if the stock market, guys, gonna drop and gonna crash, gonna dump, whatsoever, Bitcoin will follow, okay? Bitcoin eventually will be affected. So stock market at this point isn't in the best hands. So isn't in the best situation. You see here that SP 500 didn't actually break the 200 DMA, and it seems that today we got like something like a rejection. It's too early to say that with a confirmation sign, okay? Still, we need 6 hours to close the daily candle to see, yeah, if there is a reversal here on the way, but there is a probability to get rejection and begin moving to the downside with daily red candles. And of course, Bitcoin will be affected on this point. So we're gonna tend more to do this 107-day offset, okay, that you see the mini rally that will fail. And as I have told you in my previous videos, if we would actually took the dump, the crash from the 84, 85, and we wouldn't have like this pump from 83, 84 to 88, $89,000, I would tend more to drop for the Bitcoin to drop, I mean, to $73,000 area, okay? But I have said to you that as high Bitcoin gonna go before the drop, that's how high the drop, as I believe, will happen. So I tend more, okay, I give more probabilities for a double bottom scenario. If you personally ask me, I prefer to get down to 73. I prefer to see some bloodbath on the altcoins just to buy lower, okay, personally. Me, if you ask me, I'm accumulating cash at this point. I'm waiting for this dump. If it's going to happen, I'm going to exploit it. If it won't, I don't give a shit. My bags have been packed well. I'm not greedy. So yeah, if you personally ask me, I want the 73. But as I see, after this kind of pump of the markets, I tend more to a double bottom scenario, like with a worst case $78,000 again. And this is where the ultra mega trap will happen to the retail investors. Most of the people here will sell, and all the world's gonna buy like crazy, okay? And this is, as I said, that maybe a huge trap will be set up here, and the retails will be trapped like rats, because they're gonna believe that this is the bear market and we're gonna head lower, okay? They're gonna turn again into the pessimism. So we will see what is going eventually to happen. We will need 1 to 2 weeks to confirm what's from these two scenarios are going to play out. As I said, I'm tending more to the second scenario because it fits better with the Fed, with, of course, the QT that will begin coming down. We will see if the predictions of the QT will end up from the poly market, I mean, by the end of April, like because we have a prediction with 100% certainty that the QT will end up before May. So yeah, I don't know eventually what's going on, but I'm ready for everything, and this is how you should approach the market as well. And as I would like to show you, because if the drop gonna happen, it's not gonna happen because the Bitcoin, it's gonna happen because the stock market. I would like to show you that the Bitcoin adoption is ongoing, and we have very bullish news we will see in a very few. Yesterday we had 42 million inflow from BlackRock, some outflows from the rest institutions. Totally we had 26.8 million inflow of the day, and you see the previous days also we had some inflow. 24th of March we had 84.2 million inflow from all the US institutions in combination. You see here also BlackRock 18 million inflow. So you see institutions the last couple of days had a positive inflow on Bitcoin. And here let's go to the news. And you see here, guys, GameStop to buy Bitcoin as a treasury reserve asset. They currently hold 4.75 billion in cash. Okay, and this came out after the GameStop CEO that had a meeting with Michael Saylor in February. And of course, after this news, GameStop pre-market price after the announcement of the Bitcoin treasury strategy exploded. And this is the Bitcoin effect. Like you see, there is a real Bitcoin adoption, especially in US at this point. Silently, US is turning as pro Bitcoin country. And also you see here the son of the President Trump that says, I believe in Bitcoin so much. I'm so excited to be part of the journey. So guys, people neglect a lot that US actually signed up the strategic reserve plan with Bitcoin, and literally another huge catalyst for the Bitcoin inside of 2025 is the time that the US will begin buy massive amounts of Bitcoin. Mark my words on that. That's going to be like an event, like as the US ETFs began by BTC. So we speak for massive adoption here. And as you know, supply is limited. We are about to have another supply shock. I'm very optimistic for how the 2025 will end up. The long-term vision of Bitcoin is incredible bullish, and in combination with Fed and the fresh liquidity that will jump into the markets, and especially if QE will begin, guys, you need to be prepared for that. You need to be very well packed in, because these prices are almost bottomed out, and this is how you're gonna build wealth. Okay, this is where you're gonna make life-changing money and not just make money. Okay, that's the difference, building wealth and make money in crypto. You need to pack very well your bags from the bottom and wait until the real altcoin season gonna happen. This is where lives are changing. And also here you see another adoption from US, bill to self-custody Bitcoin and crypto has been signed up into law in Kentucky. America is embracing Bitcoin. So you see, guys, crazy adoption from US. I love it. And let's go. Let's see what is going to happen here. I mean, in whatever situation, even if Bitcoin gonna move and break and gonna go to all-time high next week, I'm okay, I'm good. And this is how you should approach the market as well. For you that you own a couple by guys, I recommend you to store your cryptos in a Tajam wallet. Literally, I believe it's one of the best out there. And by storing your cryptos in a cold wallet, you can sleep safe at night. So don't trust exchanges and hot wallets. Cold wallet is all you need. And if you go through my link, CryptoChris, and you put this code in the discount code section on Tadgem, you're gonna have 10% off in your order. So order your Tadgem and sleep safe at night. And for the people who are going to ask me from where I buy cryptos at this point, guys, I found Wix, super reliable company. It's quite new, I can say, but super reliable company, and it's with no KYC. This is why I chose them. I used to buy from xt.com, but they were doing a couple sketchy things. I didn't like it, and I changed. Okay, we don't marry exchanges. We use them just to buy our favorite cryptos. Immediately, we move them into a cold wallet, and we don't care. Okay, even if an exchange gonna collapse or whatsoever, we don't care. But now, recently, I use Wix. I'm very, very satisfied. I highly recommend you to use it. And if you're gonna go through my link, sign up, deposit, and all of that stuff, you get up to $30,000 bonus. So go get it. Buy your favorite crypto, Kaspa, Tau, Bitcoin, whatever you love, I don't know, and immediately withdraw in your cold wallet. So that's what I would like to tell you guys. I will see you all in my next video. Until my next video, Chris out. Bye.